Jetblue 1401, we're actually working through something right now. We'd like to stay leveled off at about 12,000. We're just going to be heading out and holding somewhere, and looks like we're more than likely to return back to Kennedy.
Jetblue 1401, if you have the time, what is the nature of the issue that you're addressing?
When we took off, we had a bird strike, and we believe we've taken out some probes on the side of the aircraft because we have basic flight instruments, but a lot of our automation is gone.
Jetblue 1401, thank you.
And Jetblue 1401, when able to stay sold on board and fuel remaining.
Now, let's see, fuel remaining is 22,000 pounds, and standby. 209 souls on board.
Jetblue 1401, turn left heading 360.
Left turn 360, Jetblue 1401, and we're not too far off from get ready to begin another 10 to 15 minutes or so. We're going to maybe start our way back to Kennedy. We're going to be requesting 3-1 left for the approach.
Jetblue 1401, roger, just let me know when you're ready to come back in. Jetblue 1401, are you declaring emergency at this time?
Negative, Jetblue 1401.
Jetblue 1401, turn left heading 360.
Jetblue 1401, 360, and we're going to be ready to begin our approach in just about another 30 seconds.
Alright, roger.
Right, Jetblue 1401, we're ready to begin our approach.
Jetblue 1401, roger, send the 718 10 south.